How to enable or disable notification center on the lock screen on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on settings. Then in the settings page, we scroll down, and in here, tap on Face ID and passcode. Next, we put in the passcode, and then in here we scroll down, and then tap on Notification Center. Tap on the toggle button to disable or enable it. Now if we turn it on and on our lock screen, you can see that if I swipe up at the bottom of the screen like this, it will open up the notification center. And if I switch it off, so here if I go in and switch it off, so go down to the bottom and then turn off notification center. And now if I lock my device, if I try to swipe up, it will not open up the notification center. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.